Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video, I will show you what is boost post means on a Facebook page. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Boost post is a feature on Facebook that allows you to promote your posts to a wider audience beyond your page followers. When you boost a post, you need to pay to show it to more people on Facebook, including those who may not already follow your page. This can help increase the visibility of your content, drive engagement, and attract new followers or customers. Boosting a post involves selecting the target audience based on factors like location, age, gender, interests, and behaviors. You can also set a budget for how much you want to spend on the boost and choose the duration of the promotion. Boosted posts appear in Facebook users' news feeds like regular posts but are marked as sponsored to indicate that they are paid promotions. They may also include a Learn More or Shop Now button, depending on the post's content and your objectives. If you've shared valuable content that you think deserves wider visibility, a boost post can help it reach a larger audience. And if you want to get more likes, comments, or shares on a particular post, a boost post can help attract more eyes to it. Overall, boosting posts can be an effective way to extend the reach of your content and achieve specific marketing goals on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.